In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do HubSpot reports and dashboards tutorial. Start by signing into HubSpot and heading to the reporting area. From the navigation, open the reporting panel and select Dashboards. Here, click New Dashboard. A dashboard is your command center. It pulls multiple reports into one place, so you can monitor KPIs at a glance, apply shared filters and time ranges, and keep your team aligned. It also gives you a flexible layout so you can arrange visualizations in a way that tells a clear story. Give your dashboard a clear descriptive name. Consistent naming, like Sales Team Performance Q1, makes it easy to find and maintain later. Next, choose who can access the dashboard. You can keep it private, share it with specific teams, or open it to everyone. In this example, we'll limit access to super admins and owners. Restricting access helps protect sensitive revenue or pipeline data, prevents accidental edits, and ensures only the right people can change filters or share the view. Click Create Dashboard to finalize. From the templates, select Sales Team Performance as our example. A sales performance dashboard tracks the metrics sellers and leaders care about, such as deals created and won, win rates, meetings and calls, pipeline coverage, and revenue against goal. It's designed to surface trends quickly and spotlight coaching opportunities. Click Next and keep the defaults for now. You can always refine date ranges, filters, and visualization styles later. Confirm the dashboard name and keep the same restricted access setting, then click Create Dashboard. Your new dashboard is ready. Now let's set up a report. Go back to the reporting panel and choose Reports. Click Create, then Create Report. A HubSpot report is a saved query and visualization that turns CRM data, like contacts, companies, deals, and activities, into insights you can act on. Select the custom report builder for maximum flexibility. You also have other options, like single object reports, funnels, attribution, and more. Pick custom when you need to blend objects or build tailored visualizations. Click Next. For the primary data source, choose Contacts in this example, then click Next. In the builder, drag in the fields you want to analyze. The fields you select define the accuracy and usefulness of your insight. Choose dimensions and metrics that map directly to your question, set the right date properties, and apply filters to focus your audience. When you're done, click Save Report, give it a clear name, and choose Add to Existing Dashboard. Don't Add keeps the report standalone in your reports list. Add to existing places it immediately on the dashboard your team uses. Select your Sales Team Performance Q1 dashboard, then click Save and Add. That's it for building dashboards and reports in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.